It's much harder than the Charlier cut, which you should have learned if you're trying to learn this trick, so you should go watch the video if you haven't learned the Charlier cut. It will be there, up there. To do the revolution cut, it starts just like the Charlier cut, so you drop half of the card, and this is where most people do wrong. They would do that, and then spin, and then close, and then they would call this the revolution cut, which in my opinion is wrong. You should learn the best way. So the best way is to do this. You, with your ring finger, you push first, you push half of the cards. So make sure you're in this grip. After you drop half of the cards, with your index, you're going to put it right here. The ring finger, you're going to push half. You're going to push that packet. And now what's going to happen is with your index, your thumb, you're going to do this. You're going to turn. If you're having difficulties, well, with your ring finger, you can still put pressure there, so you're allowed to do that. To do that, you push pressure, you put pressure with your ring finger. You'll end up in this position. Now, with your ring finger, you're going to put it right there. And with your thumb, you let go. And if you noticed, your index and your ring finger is now holding the packet. You can use your middle finger to square up the cards here. You're allowed, so, but you don't have to. And with your thumb, you can either hold the cards like this, or you could just, hold the cards like this if you have big enough hands. You spin. So you spin with your index finger. Then you just let go with your index, and then you can just close. If you have any difficulties doing this trick, you can just comment and I will help you. That was the revolution cut. I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial I've done for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.